Did you know clogged dryer vents are a major cause of house fires? Blockages such as lint, bird nests, or dead animals can also cause your dryer to overheat, not dry properly, or create condensation or water leaks. Our professional, certified technicians are experts in the inspection, cleaning, and repair of dryer ducts to improve dryer safety and efficiency. We offer affordable prices, same-day service, appointments within the next 24 hours, 99% on-time arrival, and work with our customers' budgets. With over 15 years of experience in Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Northern Virginia areas, our results are 100% guaranteed. Call 240-780-7174 today. Inspection, cleaning, and repair dryer vents.